Switching from Android to iPhone? In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your SIM card, copy contacts, and handle eSIM transfers. Let's dive in. Part 1. Can you switch SIM card from Android to iPhone? You can transfer the SIM card from Android to iPhone if the sizes match, except for the iPhone 16 models, which use eSIM only. Carrier restrictions may apply. For eSIM, check if your Android supports it and consult your provider. Part 2. Preparations before switching SIM card from Android to iPhone. Check SIM compatibility. Unlock your Android. Backup contacts and data. Disable TFA. Verify network support. Charge both devices. Connect to Wi-Fi. Part 3. How to switch SIM card from Android to iPhone via export-import. Open contacts on Android. Tap the menu Export to SIM. Choose Contacts and Export. Insert SIM into iPhone. Part 4. How to transfer SIM card contacts from Android to iPhone in a single tap. Switching the SIM card doesn't transfer all data, like contacts or apps. To easily transfer contacts, try Mobican Transfer for mobile, a reliable phone transfer tool. Step 1. Install and open Transfer for mobile on your computer. Connect Android and iOS devices via USB. Step 2. The program will detect the devices. Click Flip to switch positions if needed. Step 3. Transfer next. Select the Contacts option in the program by ticking the checkbox. Finally, click the Start Copy button to initiate the contact transfer, seamlessly transferring all contacts from the source Android device to the target iPhone. Part 5. How to transfer SIM contacts from Android to iPhone via VCF Files. Open Contacts on Android. Tap the menu Import Export Export as VCF. Send the VCF file to your iPhone via email, cloud, or Bluetooth. Open the file on your iPhone and add contacts. Part 6. How to move SIM card from Android to iPhone using QR code. Swipe up on the welcome screen to set up your iPhone 16. Select Use QR code and scan it, or enter details manually. Wait for activation, then tap Continue. Part 7. How to move eSIM card from Android to iPhone by Carrier's app. Swipe up to set up your iPhone. Select Set up later and complete setup. Download your Carrier's app and follow eSIM transfer instructions.